Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Techie Bees. Friends, today I am here with a review of Samsung's newly launched fitness tracker Fit-E Smart Band. Let's find out whether this fitness band meets our expectations or not. Please watch this video without skipping, as I have pointed out to the cons alongside while elaborating upon its pros. This smart band is available on Flipkart for ₹2490. I have provided its purchase link in the description box below this video. You can purchase it from there. But before we start with this video, it's my humble request that please do subscribe to this channel so that we continue bringing helpful videos for you all. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that info regarding my next video release reaches you as soon as it is published. So now let's get started with the unboxing of this Samsung Galaxy Fit-E Smart Band. Having a weight of only 15 grams, this band is very lightweight and slim. You can wear it 24/7 without any discomfort. The silicone strap of this band is removable and it does not irritate your skin at all. In fact, it is so lightweight that you don't even feel as if you were wearing anything. The locking mechanism of this silicone strap keeps your band secure. Unlike my Mi Band that fell off somewhere without mine realizing the same, you can carry out all your sports activities wearing this watch without the fear of losing it. As this fitness tracker comes from a respectable brand like Samsung, you can expect its quality to be one of the best among fitness trackers. This smart band has a 0.74-inch PMOLED, or to be more precise, passive matrix black and white display. Indoors, the resolution of this smart band is pretty good. That allows you to read all notifications and see screen with ease. However, outdoors, you might feel difficulty in reading under direct sunlight, as there the screen dims out a bit. This band does not come with a touch screen, so you cannot swipe on it. To access the different widgets, you need to tap the screen, or even a tap on the sides would do. On the back of this fitness band, there is a charging port, and these are the sensors. One is meant to monitor the heart rate, while the other is accelerometer that tracks your movements. Before using it for the first time, you need to charge it fully. The good thing about this watch is that you don't need to remove its strap every time before charging, as it can be charged along with the strap too. If you have a Samsung phone, you don't need to download any app, as Galaxy Wearable and S Health comes preloaded. You just need to pair your smart band with your Samsung phone using the Galaxy Wearable application. From the list of wearables, you need to choose Galaxy Fit-E, and it gets paired in minutes. You need to grant this application certain permissions and enable all activities that you would like to track. Through Samsung S Health, you can monitor your sleep quality along with tracking your fitness activities. However, those who don't have a Samsung phone, they need to download a number of applications, probably 4 in number. In comparison to other fitness trackers, Samsung provides you much better connectivity between its applications and wearables. After pairing it successfully with your Android smartphone, you can start using it with ease. In the Samsung application, you are provided with 6 watch faces. You can keep on changing them as per your liking. The heart rate monitor of this band can continuously track your heart health. You have been provided with 6 widgets: weather, calendar, heart rate monitor, steps count, calories and sleep, for which you get option to enable or not. This smart band counts your steps and records the calories burned during the entire day. You can also keep a track of your sleep quality, as this band records all. This watch is water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can keep wearing it during rains, showers or swimming. This fitness tracker tracks 3 of your fitness activities: running, walking and dynamic workout. But if you are cycling, this band will not recognize that activity, which is a bit disappointing, as cycling is one of the most popular fitness activity. It provides you with two screen wake-up options, one when you lift your wrist, the other one when you double tap it. You can choose both or either of the options. This watch has options for alarm, calendar, weather, etc. But to access their settings, a paired Android phone is a must. You cannot make any settings directly from this smart band. Even to switch off this smart band, you will require your smartphone. The calendar displays only the current date, day and month. You don't have access to any past or future dates. This smart band supports notification. You can enable the applications whose notifications you want on your band. However, you don't get to read the notifications. You only come to know the sender of that notification. In the same manner, you cannot receive calls on your smart band. You just get notified regarding the caller. In this band, you are provided with a vibration mode which alerts you regarding the incoming notifications. Through the Samsung application, you also get the provision of locating your smart band in case it gets misplaced. This Samsung wearable comes with Bluetooth 5.0, which is considered power efficient. However, to be honest, the battery backup of this band did not meet my expectations. If you are frequently tracking your heart rate along with other things, then around 22% battery will be consumed in a day, which brings its battery backup to only around 4 to 5 days. So guys, in my opinion, this is a basic fitness band from Samsung which is perfect for elementary health tracking. This band is highly responsive and fairly accurate. I found its accuracy and functioning better than the Mi band. If you are a person who just wants to remain fit, this is sufficient for you. But if you are a fitness freak who indulges in varied fitness activities, then this might not satisfy your needs. At a time when the market is flooded with a plethora of cheaper fitness trackers that have many more attractive features, the launch of a basic fitness tracker, that too by a giant company, does not seem rational to me. But after all, Samsung is Samsung, which is a respected brand worldwide, whose products are sold mostly because of its brand name and reliability. This smart band carries Samsung's name and authenticity along with the brand warranty that is certain to attract customers. The strong after-sales service support too is a charm for buying this smart band. However, if this leaves you yearning for more, you can certainly set your hands on Samsung Galaxy Fit, which has a color display along with many more features. I have provided you the link to this smart band too. You can purchase it from there. So, this much only for today. Meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.